Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today's video is all about kitchen. As we all know, kitchen is the powerhouse of the house. We spend a lot of time in kitchen cooking and also cleaning the mess which we created while cooking. So today's video, I came up with few simple tips and tricks to reduce this tedious process of cleaning. Small little steps will prevent us making a lot of mess in the kitchen, and also we would spend less time in cleaning it. So let's get started. The first tip would be whenever we are cooking, we randomly tend to keep the spatula either on the gas stove or on the platform. This is very unhygienic, as if there is any dust on these surfaces, it would enter into the food we are preparing, and this might cause contamination. So rather, we would use a spoon rest to keep the spatula and ensure that it is neat and clean. And also, this prevents us from having a dirty platform. When we keep it on the platform, the entire area would be dirty. You need to clean it all over again. And this, by using a spoon rest, your platform is neat, your spatula is also neat and clean. And it's not always necessary that we need to have a spoon rest. If we have any steel plate, we can use as a spoon rest, and we can keep the spatula on that. In this way, the kitchen would be neat, the platform would be neat, and you would avoid unnecessarily cleaning the platform all over again. Coming to our next tip. Whenever we are cooking, we keep the lid on the platform. This creates moisture on the platform. Now, my platform is dry, however, after placing the lid, it is all wet and I need to clean it all over again. Rather, you can place the lid this way. Now, the water will be collected here at the bottom of the lid, and your platform will not be dirty by doing this. See, now the platform is all dry. Not even a single drop of water fell on the platform. Tip number 3. Whenever we use our blender, we generally tend to clean the jars, but the base we tend to ignore. As a result, we have so much of dust accumulated over there. And this has to be cleaned frequently, otherwise there will be some bacteria which might develop over there. I'm using a synthetic tissue to clean this, which is very handy for me. And you can as well use any old cloth to do this cleaning. This is a 5-minute task. However, in the mornings or when we are preparing our lunch, we tend to ignore this. And unfortunately, whenever a guest comes, the first thing they look at is the dirtiest parts of the kitchen. And definitely, this is one such area. So ensure that you clean it. Tip number 4. Whenever you are placing your oil containers, ensure that you place them on a tray so that if there is any leakage of oil or while cooking, it would not be on your platform. Whatever oil leaks or flows out of the container will be on the tray, and you can clean the tray as and when required. This way your platform will be neat and it's easy to manage. When all these small little things you take care of, and when your platform is neat, you don't need to put in a lot of effort to clean your kitchen. Ensure that your kitchen is clean. All these tips would ensure that your kitchen is clean. And the last tip of the day is place mats near the wash area and also near the cooking range. By doing so, if there is any water which spills on the floor, it falls on the mat. And here, when we are cooking, if there is any food item which falls, it will be on the mat. And it's easy to clean the mats as and when required, and your kitchen will be neat. You don't have to mop it and clean it every time you cook something or wash a dish. So in this way, you can keep your kitchen clean and neat. These are few simple tips and tricks to ensure that your kitchen is neat and clean all the time. As we all know, house is a continuous process. A neat and clean house is a continuous process. It doesn't happen in one day. And in case if you did like this video, please do press the like button and please do consider subscribing to this channel. Thank you so much for your encouragement and thank you for watching this video. You have a great day. Bye-bye.